Welcome. I created this loving kindness meditation to help you cultivate compassion, peace, and warmth in your heart. Take a moment to settle in and find a comfortable position. You're in the perfect place to connect with your inner kindness. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Allow your breath to guide you into a calm and peaceful state. Let's start by setting an intention for this meditation. Your intention might be to cultivate kindness towards yourself or to extend love and compassion to others. Whatever feels right for you, hold that intention in your mind as we begin. Now, direct your focus inward. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, golden light. This light represents love and kindness. Feel it surrounding you, filling you with peace. Silently repeat the following phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Allow these words to sink into your heart. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to these words and a sensation of warmth in your body. Next, bring to mind someone you care about deeply. Visualize them clearly and imagine that same golden light now surrounding them. As you picture them, repeat, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease. Send them your love and notice how this act of giving also nurtures your own heart. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Now, expand your circle of compassion even further. Visualize this golden light extending out to all beings everywhere. Those you know and those you don't know. Those you like and those you find challenging. As you picture them, silently repeat, "May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease." Feel the limitless nature of this loving kindness as it flows from you into the world. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. If any thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and return your focus to your breath. Let gratitude fill your heart. Gratitude for taking this time for yourself, for the love you've cultivated, and for the peace you've created. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. You've done something beautiful for yourself today and for the world. Remember that you can carry this loving kindness with you throughout your day. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with more content like this. Thank you for joining me in this practice, and take care.